What's up everyone, this is Anime Art Fever and today we are going to draw Kakashi Hatake, the copy ninja from Naruto, the famous anime. So before we start, make sure to subscribe and like the channel so you never miss any updates from the channel. And make sure to enjoy the process, and if you want me to draw any of your favorite characters, tell me in the comments. Enjoy your process of drawing. Bye. So everyone, if you're still watching, like you can see I'm drawing the hairs. So I've figured a very big mistake that I've made the hairs too long, way too long. So I cannot fix them now. So I will fix them when I'm doing the inking. So make sure to watch them then, and if you like the video, like and subscribe and enjoy the full process. I really enjoyed this video, so I am telling you, you will enjoy watching this and drawing Kakashi Hatake. So if you like my video, subscribe. Everyone, please make sure to watch the video till the end, so it will be so supportive of you, and I will get more confidence while doing the other video, and I will make sure to put new tutorials every weekend so you guys can make new drawings. and just see how I make the hairs smaller. If you like the video, tell me in the comments that you want, if you like my drawing, tell me in the comment that you want any of your characters, favorite characters from any anime. I will make them, and that will, if you subscribe to my channel, that will be a very big support from you and a very big help. So I will be more confident while drawing, and I will make sure to upload more videos every weekend. So enjoy the process. Bye.